Now, in terms of possible solutions, well, some are easier and some are harder. So the first one they have is increasing available memory. And on N8N Cloud instance, that means upgrading your plan. Now, the thing is, if you look at the plans, this is memory limits on each cloud plan. They give you 320 megabytes per instance on a starter plan. Like this is really, really low, especially for the amount of memory something like a node process needs and something like an N8N application. Then if you upgrade to Pro 1, which is 10,000 executions, you get 640 megabytes of RAM, which is still pretty low. And it's only once you get to Enterprise where you get 4 gigabytes of RAM that you might actually be able to just get away with, around these issues and processing a lot of data without running into memory issues. But then the question is, okay, if we can't really do that, what are the options? Well, it actually gives some good ideas here. And when I was first reading this, I kind of misunderstood what it was suggesting. And so I went through a couple of iterations before I found the approach that actually solves the problem. So here is what I've tried, what didn't work, what did work, and why. So after I tried, with the naive approach and just downloading all the items, I realized that's not going to work. So my next approach was trying to split things into batches and going through a loop and just getting a smaller number of items in these batches to try to avoid getting all 2000 items at once. That was my initial understanding of the documentation that N8N has. And when I tried this on an N8N Cloud instance, it didn't really work.